Hello YouTube, I am the Drift Ninja. What's going on today? Today we're going to talk about this hobbywing X-Run 10.5 turn motor. You like that? DNRC, we are here to rep, we are here to support, we are here to just grow this community. You guys get it? Yeah. So, we're here to talk about this motor. Okay? I would like to put it inside this chassis, and I had just purchased the XR10, and this is the X-Run Pro Stock Series ESC, which I will be connecting it to. Now, back to the motor. This motor is supposed to be awesome. I've heard very, very good reviews on it. I've read good reviews on it and just heard very good things. This is the hobbywing V10 G3. Purchased at Excel RC. Guys, this is a 10.5 turn once again. Roughly around 100. This was $98.99. You guys can't see that. And at Excel RC. So let's unbox this and see what we got. So, nice box. Hobbywing always has fairly decent stuff, man, and I like it. Actually, it's really good stuff, and I like it. So, let's take this plastic off. Wow. Alright. Ready, guys? I have yet to see it myself, and I'm excited. So, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. New vents. Has bigger vents. I'll do some reading on it as well. Here's the motor. If we're in a backwards view, this says V10 G3 right now. I will be upgrading my camera and using this, but right now we're going off the Android right now. But if you guys can see, man, this is a great looking motor, 10.5 turn. And let's read some of the specs on here for you guys. Oh, nice. Comes with a short this one's a short wire for your sensor, and here's a longer sensor wire. So we got two sensor wires with it. Thank you, Hobbywing. Very nice. And then so they're called the X-Run V10 G3. There's a bunch of different X-Runs out there, but I recommend trying the Pro Stock, and then they got like the Just Stock as well. So let's see. Let's read just a couple things here for you. And let's see. The kV mode on these, on the 10.5, so it's going to be a 4500 kV no load. Let's see what we can go up to. Current max would be 74 amp output. Let's see. Good for 110 drift cars, touring cars. I recommend it, man, and especially the drift. Installation, very easy. They have the nice brass, copper looking heads right here. Adjustable timing. You can do adjustable timing on this. So this is going to go onto my YD2. This is the R Plus, which will be sitting nice, just like this. So, after that, we're going to do a little bit of soldering up and see how she runs. But on the back here, we'll read some more. It's a censored brushless motor. You can get these at any of your probably local hobby shop should carry these. And if they don't, you should say, hey guys, carry some of these hobbywings. But I know that Super G in California would have them. Hit up Joey Tam. We got Fred Conda at XLRC. He should have everything over at XLRC here in Michigan. I will have a bunch of different items as well. But yeah, this it's a great reduced and bigger holes for the shell to provide more air to flow through. So on the can, it shows, you know, bigger vents, bigger holes, lets more air get in there to keep the motor cool. I like that. Very cool. So let's put that back away. That was a nice little unboxing. let's get back to the manual here. The assembly display can show you guys just a little bit of how it goes. It actually tells you how to take it apart, put it back together if you want to put a different rotor in there or different. Yeah, this is really cool. Assembly, disassembly, has a parts list. V10 G3 motor contains the following parts: front end plate, 1 piece; rotor, 1 piece; a stator, 1 piece; center module, 1 piece; rear end plate, 1 piece; short screws, M2.5. Those are going to be 1. Long screws, those are 2.50 by 45 millimeters. You got 3 pieces. Sensor wires, you got an 80 millimeter, and then you got the 200 millimeter, which makes sense for the short and the long, which I'm liking that. What else we got here? Yeah, finished product. Seems great. I'm going to try this 10.5 out. We're going to hook everything up. Here's how everything's supposed to be hooked up. The motor to the ESC, plug in your LiPo, and go. Guys, thanks again for watching. We are DNRC. Check out for more videos from Team Suda. We got tons of more action coming. And when this motor's in this, we're going to show you what this baby has to offer for you. Once again, I am the Drift Ninja, rep DNRC. Shout out to SRC for all their great products. Shout out to Hobbywing for coming out with great items. Shout out to Yokomo for the awesome best chassis. Shout out to Rev D for all their great products and items and just awesome stuff, man. Any of you guys interested in any items, apparel, or anything like that, you guys can always PM me. Go to Facebook, hit up Ricky Diaz. You can hit up DNRC group page. Message me, feel free. But we are DNRC. I am the Drift Ninja. This is the V10 G3 by Hobbywing. 10.5 turn. Looks amazing. Feels amazing. The weight on it's nice. Everything's going to be great. I can tell. I can't wait to try this out, guys. And I can't wait to show you as well. Have a great day. Stay sideways!